Stop. Before you blame your internet provider, look at your router. Because one tiny mistake could be cutting your Wi-Fi speed in half. And most people make it every day. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you 5 fixes. The first one takes 10 seconds. And the third one is the reason many people think their internet plan is slow when it actually isn't. Let's check. Where is your router right now? Inside a cabinet? Behind a TV? Hidden in a corner? Bad idea. Wi-Fi spreads outward like a bubble. If your router is stuck in a corner, half the signal is wasted. Move it to an open, central location. Higher is even better. For many homes, this single change improves speed immediately. But here's the weird part. Even if your router is in the perfect location, your Wi-Fi can still be slow. Why? Because you might be connected to the wrong network. Most routers have 2 bands, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Think of it like this. 2.4 GHz travels farther. 5 GHz travels faster. If you're near the router, switch to 5 GHz. Many people never change this setting and lose a lot of speed because of it. Now for the fix that surprises most people. Your internet might not be slow at all. Your Wi-Fi might be. Run a speed test. Then connect a computer directly to the router with a cable. Run the test again. If the wired result is much faster, your provider isn't the problem. Your Wi-Fi setup is. And that's actually good news, because it's usually easier to fix. But what if your Wi-Fi is still slow, even after all that? Then this next problem could be the culprit. Your neighbors. Seriously. In apartments and crowded areas, dozens of routers compete for the same channels. It's like trying to talk in a room where everyone is shouting. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app. Find a less crowded channel. Switch your router to it. Less interference. Better speed. Let's do 4 fast fixes. Restart your router once a week. Update the router firmware. Disconnect devices you don't use. Pause large background downloads. These take minutes, but often solve annoying slowdowns. If nothing has improved, your hardware may be the limit. Older routers weren't built for today's speeds. And if your home is large, one router may not be enough. That's where a mesh Wi-Fi system helps. Instead of one signal source, you get strong coverage throughout the house. Before you spend money on a faster internet plan, try these fixes first. Many people discover they already have the speed they're paying for. If one of these tips helped, tell me which one in the comments. And subscribe for more simple tech fixes.